Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this video, I will show you how to provision a secure private MySQL database on AWS RDS. So first step will provision a private RDS instance. So it will create a new private instance and will use a free tier template. Second step will configure engine configuration. So in this, use the MySQL engine with the latest version. In the third step, will enable storage auto scaling. So we'll set the threshold value up to 50 GB and keep the rest of the thing as default. So let's begin the demo. So if you go to the AWS console and search for RDS and click on this RDS, and if you go to the left side you will see databases. So click on database and here you can click on create database. Now we'll choose the database creation method standard and we'll select the engine MySQL. After that we'll scroll down and we'll take the engine version as default 8 point. You can take anyone. If I will take 8.0.35. Now we'll for templates we'll use the free tier and keep the rest of the thing default. Here we'll give the database name DevOps DB and give the master username as admin. It is default and set the password. Uh, Set any for demo. DevOps. Now we'll scroll down and we'll change this to T3 micro and storage keep it default. Now if you go to additional storage, we'll do this to 50 GB threshold. Now if we scroll down, rest of the things will keep default for now. VPC and subnets. Ability zone you can take US test one. Keep the database authentication, password authentication for now, and rest of the things keep default. Now we'll click on create database. Password is weak. Wait to take some valid password. Now we'll click on create database. So it will take time almost 4 to 5 minutes. We go to the dashboard. It's creating. We'll cut all this. So you can see the status. It's now in creating stage. The reason we have taken US 1 size T3 micro. This all take time. It is still creating. So it will take few minutes to provision, and once it's ready, the status will be changed to available. It's still in creating phase. Now it's changed status, backing up. where you can see DB instance, DB engine version, DB engine, and the port allocated 3306, and the storage is 20 GB. Status is still creating. So now you can see it's in available stage. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the next video.